Welcome to BSIE Typewriters. In this short how-to, we'll show how to refresh an old Olivetti using our maintenance kit and typewriter ribbon. Apply polishing cream to painted surfaces in circular motions, let dry, then polish it. Repeat if necessary. Use the brush to remove dust and debris from the typewriter. Use the typebar cleaner to remove dried ink around the letters. Apply oil to the carriage track. Wipe away any excess. For Olivetti, use the BSIE Typewriters ribbon made to fit. Beginners, choose red and black. It prints reliably on any machine and paper. Now it's ready. Go print your story. Thanks for following along.